What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the free loadouts in Arc Raiders. Start from the main menu, click play, choose a map and then select free loadout at the top of the screen. Once that's selected, hit ready up when you're ready to go. Before jumping in, here's how the free loadout works. You are given a random set of basic gear, you get limited inventory space, there is no safe pocket, and any custom loadout items you had equipped are moved back to your stash. If you die during the raid, you lose everything you pick up. Now that we are in the raid, let's take a quick look at what we got this time. For weapons, I spawned with the Kettle 1 assault rifle. It uses light ammo with a 20 round magazine and works fine for early encounters if you play carefully. For defense, we got a basic light shield, fully repaired, along with a small backpack for a bit of extra inventory space. For supplies, the loadout included light ammo, a bandage, and a stim, plus a utility item in the quick use slot. It's a simple setup, but it covers the essentials. After finishing the raid, I checked the free loadout again and it was available immediately. There doesn't seem to be any cooldown, which makes it useful for repeat runs or learning the map without risking your own gear. That's everything you need to know about the free loadout in Arc Raiders. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.